Yes guys, welcome back to the channel, right now we are Huddersfield. Come and check my soldier, my brother, you know what I mean, and greens, you know what I mean. What you say, brother?
Yo. That's the right, yes sir. Chemist to the fullest, Scunny bud. Anyhow you feel you want to call me Skunky Jig. I'm there. Yeah, yeah, me in the place. Keeping it real.
So what you think about Huddersfield so far, brother?
Well, bro, I can't complain, you know, everything nice, you understand? I feel my day home, you understand?
Yeah, you look like a real English man as well too, bro. Kangal hat and everything, yeah, you know, there's something good with that.
Well, that's my role from since.
Flex,
you understand? It's just a difference, you understand? As Monga say, you know, we keep it different, you understand? To the full.
Yo. Yeah, guys, so let's touch on Huddersfield. Come and check my friend. You know what I mean? Grenadian, fully Grenadian. Check it out, you know what I mean? Fully greens. Yeah, man. Yeah, playing a forward out. Yeah, guys, so you know we're there. Chill out. Drink a one Guinness as well. See there? Drink a one Guinness. Poop. See the little surroundings there. Skunky roll up something.
Yeah, man.
Skunky roll up something.
Always the best, star dog. To the fullest.
Check out the plants them. Yo, I'm doing this because like I know my wife loved gardening, right? Yeah. I'm pretty sure you guys know that already because I mean you've seen some of my other videos where I showed you my backyard. My wife has loads of plants, right? So with me showing this, I know she's gonna love this, right? Look at this. Look at this, man. It's crazy. Yeah, like, look at the tomatoes. Pumpkin there as well too. Yeah, guys, you know the other field.
You'll get what you're seeing in the long pot in England.
Yeah.
Check it. Oh, good. Check on it. And tell me, in the long pot. You remember that? Come back home?
What is it?
Shadow Benny.
Shadow Benny.
The tree we call it bang down here. I come from all Grenada to come England, you understand? Yeah. You have your big time that you use still. You know, anywhere you go, you know, make sure you put on your food.
So you love Magnum and the dogs them, dog?
Well, you know, all the homies back home too. I big them up to the fullest, you understand? Maggie, keep it real, you understand? Hold the foot down, shatter, hold it down, the overs, square cool, all the niggas them up, you know, side of them numb, everybody up there, so hold it down.
Hold it down, dog.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, we out here, you know?
Out here.
Yeah, we out here without fear.
No fear. No fear.
Check out the place,
to the fullest.
Yeah, the backyard. Backyard vibes. Bam. Skunky the chef.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow me and in the kitchen. With the family there.
One skunky. Come on.
Yeah, they're in the kitchen, they're putting on a little chicken waters there, so. Yeah.
Some Maggie in that again.
Yeah, man. Most of the Maggie. You then have the Maggie.
That over here.
Huh?
Yes, I don't see Maggie over here.
Nah, man, I'm getting it over here.
Yeah, but
Okay.
Top chef, you know.
Chicken waters. Chicken waters they make every day because we don't have them things.
Yeah. Street man.
Fish waters.
Top chef, you know.
Yeah, we don't have the equipment, man.
So giving them straight Grenadian style here, so. Full effect.
Quick waters, chicken sauce, you know? Straight green style, you know. So we do it back in greens, you know. Yeah, connect on the line as well too. Connect. Connect on the line. Connect signal bad. Yeah guys, so you know we're in Huddersfield. Just out here chilling, my friend. Chilling with my broski. Yo, remember like back home, bro? When you was in the back by Omar and them, they dog.
Yeah.
I was just run them tunes.
Yeah, but remember, you have to remember, all you come and make me start to listen gangster music.
Run them tunes and
Yes.
just like.
All you come and make me listen to the conscious music. And you and Tom come with
Yo,
that,
big up Tuggy, you know.
Yeah.
Tuggy, wherever you're there, brother. You know what I mean? I don't know where you're in America right now, but big up yourself, dog. If you see this video, big up yourself, Tuggy.
And extra, you
Yeah,
come and
yeah.
you say, boy, you know what?
Point blank.
Artists who are looking just like you, boy. Come with that music and on. Full clip, a mistake and a run out. Silly man, say, yeah, boy, watch your man. Watch your G. To all them look the same here. Uvado. To the fullest, go let me see.
Go this side.
Never scare.
Go this side, go this side.
Always, boy. The fullest.
Remember them time the point blank used to run like crazy.
Yeah.
Caution and menace and rage. Yo, point blank. Point blank is a lot greens, brother.
Yeah, man.
I'm not gonna lie, dog. Man used to be in house arrest. Listening some point blank.
Yeah.
You know? Pot running.
Yes, I.
And tune a beat.
Yeah.
You know? Man playing cards and
And the genius just bringing out beats.
Yeah,
And making
man.
them boy and them Lego style.
yeah man. It's just a lot.
Nice.
Remember when the man was bringing when they was bringing Busy up in
Yeah.
Redgate. Is it Redgate?
Yeah, that's the first place he come.
Yeah. And then Busy basically like they had that they had a little kind of like a beep kind of thing they used to have on the radio.
Yeah.
The kind of Busy signal kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah man, mad times, bro. Mad times, you know? Mad times. Mad times in the place, you know? Yeah, bro.
Some boat for tomorrow. So. Yeah. Sunday meal, me call this one.
It's a goat meat.
Yes, man.
Some goat meat there, you know? Goat meat. Fresh out.
Fresh, good.
Skunky about to go and just match up that.
Yeah.
Some seasoning up on that. Get ready for tomorrow, you know, Sunday dinner.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so you know,
Properly marinated.
we here, chilling. Yeah.
Yes, brother.
So
The
more time,
ice
more
cream
time.
and gold right here, so you know. Straight the Grenadian colors. Yeah, man. Chicken broth. That's how we see we going down there.
Yes guys, so we're going to just taking some chicken sauce, you know what I mean? Yo, smell amazing, yo. Amazing, you know.
You get the Grenadian spice in it.
Yeah, man. Amazing. Yo, Spence. You know what I mean? Yo, Pai. Yo, Damian, everybody, pick up yourself, dog. You know what I mean?
Yes,
Anywhere
sir.
there right now, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yo, heaven sent. Big up yourself, broski. Yeah, man. You know, we out here. Huddersfield. Yeah, yo, Juvie, big up yourself, cause you haven't none.
Good okra and carrot.
Okra and carrot.
Pepper.
Yo, Swabby! Big up yourself anyway you're there, brother.
Yeah, man.
Big up Cassidy and the whole crew, everybody out there, dog. You know what I mean? Ralph, everybody, dog. Big up yourself, dog. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? No apology. Skunky there.
Yes, I. Just in the party. Doing what I like to do best.
No, we do it. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so, you know, just here. Better gonna have some of that soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, chilling out. Sauce here. Man, something.
From Grenada.
Mud. Yeah. Some dumpling. No, we call this dumpling. Some okra here as well too. Okra. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Ketchup nice and
Yeah.
it.
What is it?
Big time.
Yo, she can make it to bring home now. Give me somebody to bring home now. I mean, give me some plants to bring home. My wife will love that. Yeah. What's going on, JV? Talk to the people, bro. Where you been?
Been to Barbers.
Yeah. Had a trim. Looking fresh. Ooh. Looking fresh, JV. Looking fresh, bro. And fresh out. So what you doing today?
Been at been at my grandma's.
Yeah, what are you gonna do today though?
Probably be on the PlayStation.
Yeah. How's that going?
Pardon?
You still playing online? Yeah. Smashing it. Still play football?
Yeah,
Yeah. How much goals you score?
a few. I don't know.
Whoa! Top striker, you know. I'm about to tell you, know. Top striker, I'm about to tell you, dog. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Top striker, this. What's he playing for?
Netherton.
Huh?
Netherton.
Yeah. Mad.
Yeah, that's on FC.
Wow, so this one, you gotta give me a ticket to come to the game. You know what I mean? Come on, vlog. We're like, go on, JV. Yo, we out here, you know? Yeah. Man. Yo. Flex, you what going on, dog?
How the vibes be?
They're on YouTube and that. What's going on?
Yeah. Live on YouTube. Put it on YouTube.
Put it on YouTube. Skunky in the
Yes,
place, you know?
Yeah.
Put it on
We'll
YouTube.
link up, man.
Mm-hmm.
The brothers them link up from backyard.
It's my boy there, you know? My boy. Top striker.
Strawberries, bro.
Top striker.